Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Faith. So in today's video I'm doing a Sephora Gratis haul. Okay, so a brief explanation of what Sephora Gratis is. Sephora Gratis is for Sephora employees. So if you are a Sephora employee, you get complimentary or free items. So today I'm going to be doing a Sephora Gratis haul for you guys. The way I received these items is because I have a family member that works at Sephora, so they gave me these items and I'm so thankful for getting these items, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So without further ado, let's begin this haul. I'm going to show you the items that I already use. This is the Josie Maran vitamin C serum. I am obsessed with this and I only used it twice. It made my skin feel so smooth and just Josie Maran Argan Bright Skin Vitamin C Serum, and it's a dark spot eraser. Next, this is the same brand Josie Maran Argan Smooth Skin Resurfacing Serum. So if you have like an uneven texture on your face, this will help smooth out everything. So I believe this does not sell together, but this one is meant to use in the morning and this is meant to use at night. Next item was this Benefit, I believe it's a makeup bag. I did not open it yet, it's still in the package. Oh, this is so pretty. It is a Benefit Cosmetics makeup bag and it says Hello Gorgeous. And then it says Benefit at the top. And then it has this, Do Not Eat. So yeah, it's just a regular makeup bag and it's actually quite wide. Next thing that I got, Laura Mercier Puff, I believe that's what it's called, or like a face. This is to apply the loose powder. I never used these actually, so I'm going to give this one to my mom, but when I first started using loose powder, I used it. I'm going to use a pen to open this because I do not have a scissor. So yeah, it's just the regular Laura. Okay, this is the Laura Mercier Puff, and you just like dip it in the loose powder and then you apply it on your face. I'm going to show you these two face masks that I got. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. I got two of them and these are, I believe, like a sample size. You can put this on your face and I believe you sleep in it, and then, or you can just use it for like 10 minutes and wash it off. But it has avocado honey and it's for moisturizing and firming. So yeah. Okay, next I'm just gonna pick. Also, it came in this Ziploc bag, so it's like a bunch of stuff. So I'm just like picking. This is a Givenchy Paris concealer. So this concealer actually has two colors in it. And you screw it up like this. So at the bottom is the concealer color, and then you can't even see it, it bends into my hand. At the top, if you can see, it has like a pink color, and that's like to cancel out dark circles under your eye. But I'm really excited to try this, and it's in the shade 2. Oh, Givenchy Paris Embellishing Concealer. I'm really excited to try this out. Next, I'm just picking from the bunch. This is also another Givenchy item. This is a ombre eyeshadow. So it's a little pot of eyeshadow and it's like a brown color. It's also waterproof. This is how it looks. Okay, it's number 5. And then it just has the Givenchy logo. So I think I might use this for my eyebrows because I like the color. Next, I'm just picking from the bag. This is a Sephora brand Bow Brow. So I believe this is a brow pencil. I did not open this yet, so I'm gonna do that now.
These packages are like so hard to open.
It's kind of, oh wow. So it's like a brow marker for your eyebrows, and it's in the shade Universal Deep. So it's quite brown. So I've recently started using more brown shades for my eyebrows because it gives it more a natural look. I used to like use black or like a really deep brown, but it kind of looked too much on my eyebrows. So I started using lighter shades and I really like it, so can't wait to use this. Next is another Josie Maran product. This is an Argan Infinity Intensive Creamy Oil. I did not smell this yet either. It's still closed. So I'm testing it out on my hand. See how it smells. But yeah, this is for your face. So it has Argan Infinity and it's like intense creamy oil. So it's more of like, not a lotion substance, but more oily. Ooh, this smells so good. Next is this Dr. Jart Plus face wash. It is the Tiger Grass Calming Gel. Okay, so this is actually a gel cream. Did not smell this yet either. It smells really good actually. Focus, focus. Next, this is another Givenchy product. It is the Mr. Brow Filler. I'm actually super excited about this too. Even though it looks a little lighter, this looks more blonde than my eyebrow. Yeah, this definitely looks blonde. But I'm still gonna try it out and see how it looks. Next, I got this. This is also like a sample size, I believe. It is another Dr. Jart's item, and it's a radiant serum. Dr. Jart's Radiant Serum. Okay, last but not least, I'm super excited about this item. It is the Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. Exfoliates your face, but it's a mask too. This brand is created by Miranda Kerr, which I'm so excited about. And I just love how the bottle looks, and it's full size too. It's very important to find what works for your skin and stick to it. Sometimes when you switch your face products or your face wash quite often, your skin is going to get confused, and it's not going to be able to get used to something to actually work. So it's good to find something that works for your skin, that makes you feel good, and stick with it. That's it for today's Sephora Gratis haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!